Welcome. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. With every breath, feel yourself arriving right here in this present moment. There's nothing else to be, nothing else to do. Just this moment of stillness. Begin by noticing your body, your feet, your legs, your back. Let the weight of your body be fully supported. You don't need to hold yourself up. The earth is holding you. Breathe into your belly, letting it rise and fall naturally. Each breath is a wave of calm washing through your body. If you notice any tension, gently soften that area. Relax your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. Let your body rest. Now bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change it, just observe. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Your breath is your anchor. It reminds you that you are alive, that each moment begins anew. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply notice where it went and softly bring it back to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale calm, exhale tension. Now imagine a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. With each breath in, this light grows brighter, spreading warmth through your whole body. It fills your heart, your shoulders, your hands. It flows down through your abdomen, into your legs. You are surrounded by this gentle light, safe, calm, and deeply at peace. This light represents your inner calm, always present, even beneath the noise of the world. You don't have to find peace. You only have to remember it's already within you. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension. Feel your entire body resting in harmony. Allow yourself to feel grateful for your breath, for your body, for the simple moment of being. Let that feeling expand within you, like the sunlight warming your whole being. You are calm, you are grounded, you are enough. Now, notice the sounds around you. Feel the surface beneath you once again. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and as you open your eyes, carry the sense of peace and clarity with you through the rest of your day. You can return to this calm at any time. It's within you.